Alrighty, today I'm going to teach you how to use our word wall. Our word wall will be up all year round, and it will have words that start with the letter A all the way to words that start with the letter Z. So we are going to focus on 5 letters today. How many letters? 5, right. So we are going to work on A, B, C, D, and E. So we are going to add to our word wall because we want to be good writers, and good writers know how to spell words and they know how to use different words that mean the same thing. So today I'm going to ask you to create a list of words that start with these 5 letters. Okay? So if I were with my table group, which is what I'm going to ask you to do, I'm going to ask you to create a list with your table group. With who? Your table group, right? So I'm going to make a list, and I'm going to write out each letter. So there's A, here's B, C, D, and E. Alright, so I wrote my 5 letters down on my list. Then I am going to think about what words start with these letters. So if I were to look at this list of my 5 letters, I would think, let's just start with A. What word starts with A? I could look around the room or think of animals that start with A. So I look around and I think, oh, I see my lunch. And in my lunch I have an apple. Alright, so if I'm going to spell apple on my list, I would sound it out. I would say a, p, p, and I think, does apple have 2 P's or 1 P? And my table group and I would discuss it. Do you think we have 2 P's? Do we think we have 1 P in apple? And then we decide that it has 2 P's. So apple is A-P-P-O-O-L-E. Apple. So I've spelled apple on my list. Alright. So then I would think, okay, let's try B. And we would come up with some words for B. So I could look around the room again and I could think, what kind of things do I see that start with letter B? What kind of animals do I see? What kind of animals can I think of? So I look around the room and I see a box. So I'm going to write box. So it starts with B. Sounds like an O. X, and I think X. B-O-X. Box. What word did I spell? Box. Alright. So then my table group and I would come up with more words for each of these letters. And you want to come up with as many words as you can. Alright. So what are you and your table groups going to be making today? A list. Right. How many letters are on the list? 5. Right. A, B, C, D, and what's the last letter? E. Alright, so I want you to do that with your table groups.